Welcome to The Explainer. I'm your host, The Strategist, and today we are opening up an absolute insider's guide to mastering a critical hurdle in the Cambridge AS and A-Level Computer Science 9618 syllabus. We are aggressively decoding topic 10.4, Abstract Data Types, or ADTs. But listen to me carefully. We aren't just going to sit here and passively look at textbook theory. No. We are going to look at the massive warning signs, the hidden traps, and the precise point-scoring strategies that Cambridge examiners are practically begging you to use. Imagine this for a second. You are sitting in that utterly silent exam hall. The clock is relentlessly ticking down. You look at a complex, multi-part ADT question, maybe from a beast of a past paper, and you might act like one of two typical students we constantly read about in the principal examiner reports. Let's call our first student Alex. Alex is smart. Alex knows the textbook inside and out, so what does he do? He completely overloads his answers with raw, unfiltered computer science facts, completely ignoring the nuanced analysis the question actually asked for. It's a total data dump with zero strategy. Then there's Sam. Sam feels that intense time pressure, immediately panics, rushes through the question, and entirely misses the specific command word requirements. Sam writes an essay when the command word was just state, and writes a single sentence when the command word was evaluate. They both end up losing massive grade-defining points. Today, right now, we are going to make absolutely sure you are neither Alex nor Sam. We are completely transforming your approach to this syllabus so that you secure those elite, top-tier grades.
Okay, let's dive straight into this. Listen to this direct quote straight from a senior Cambridge examiner. Mastering 10.4 is essential for Cambridge success. This topic appears in every examination series. Think about that. You simply cannot hide from abstract data types. They will find you on the exam paper. Whether you originally built your foundation on the IGCSE or O-level syllabuses, like the 0417, 0478, 0983, or 0984, or 2210, the jump up to the 9618 AS and A-level demands a completely different, much more rigorous level of analytical thought. It is no longer just about reciting a basic definition of what a stack or a queue or a linked list is. Anybody can do that. It is now entirely about proving you can manipulate these structures within a highly specific, often incredibly complex framework. The stakes here are incredibly high. Understanding the very core of this topic is your non-negotiable ticket to success. If you want to ace the 9618, this is the battleground.
To get you exactly where you need to be, here is our battle plan for today's explainer. 1. ADT core concepts. 2. The method mark strategy. 3. The algorithmic framework. 4. Critical algorithm evaluation. And finally, number 5, the top 3 examiner warnings.
Let's hit section 1, ADT core concepts and understanding the cognitive domains. We need to get this fundamental theory down first. The theoretical architecture of abstract data types isn't just some random assortment of coding principles thrown together. It is a highly structured foundation built on precise definitions and causal relationships. Remember our student Sam, who rushed the paper and completely missed the command words? That tragedy happens because students genuinely don't understand the cognitive domains the Cambridge examiners are actively targeting. When you look at an exam question, the command word, words like state, describe, explain, or evaluate, is literally the examiner handing you a cheat sheet. It is a map to the exact cognitive domain they want you to demonstrate. Let's break down how the assessment objectives for ADTs target 3 very distinct cognitive areas. First, we have knowledge and understanding. This is your baseline. This is where command words like state or define live. Do you actually know what the ADT is? Second is application. Can you apply that specific data structure to a brand new, completely unseen problem? Command words here might be trace or write pseudocode. And third, the holy grail, analysis. This is the highest tier, triggered by words like evaluate or compare, where you must critically assess the efficiency or appropriateness of the ADT. To absolutely master these domains, top-tier students use a specific strategy called the PEAL framework. That stands for point, evidence, explanation, and link. You explicitly make your point about the abstract data type. You provide concrete evidence extracted directly from the algorithm or data provided. You thoroughly explain exactly how it functions in this context, and finally, you link it directly back to the specific scenario in the question. It's a foolproof structure. Before we continue, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Ace the Exams, at acetheexams_IGCSE to excel in your Cambridge